Hey everyone! Welcome back to Glam Squad. Winter is all about staying warm. But who says you can't look stylish while doing it? Today, I'm breaking down Winter Layering 101. Tips and tricks to help you master the art of layering without feeling bulky or overheated. Let's jump right in. The first step to perfect layering is your base layer. Choose lightweight, moisture-wicking fabrics like thermal tops or heat-tech leggings. These keep you warm without adding unnecessary bulk. I recommend sticking to neutral colors, black, white, or nude, for versatility. Next is the middle layer, where you bring the warmth and texture. Opt for pieces like fleece pullovers, chunky sweaters, or cardigans. This is your chance to add some personality with prints, textures, or bold colors. Remember, this layer should be cozy, but breathable to prevent overheating when you're indoors. Finally, we have the outer layer. This is your shield against the elements, so pick something weather appropriate. A puffer jacket for snow, a wool coat for dry cold, or a waterproof parka for wet conditions. Look for coats with insulation and functional details like hoods, adjustable cuffs, and deep pockets. This layer is where you can play with silhouettes, like oversized coats or tailored pieces. Accessories are the icing on the cake. A chunky scarf, beanie, or pair of leather gloves not only keeps you warm, but also adds style. Go for materials like wool or cashmere for that luxe touch. Don't be afraid to mix patterns and textures. Plaid scarves, knit beanies, and leather gloves make a great combo. Before we wrap up, here are a few bonus tips. 1. Stick to a color palette to make mixing and matching easy. 2. Use belts to add shape to bulky layers. 3. Don't forget the power of thermal socks and insulated boots to keep your feet warm. And that's it. Winter Layering 101. With these tips, you'll stay warm, comfortable, and effortlessly stylish all season long. Which layering trick are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more fashion tips. Stay cozy, and I'll see you in the next one.